Achoo! Oh, bogus.
What's the matter?
I think I'm allergic to grass. Achoo!
It's a good thing I like climbing things.
Grass.
What's that noise?
The trains, I told you they talk. Well, just so far away, hear what they're saying. Good morning!
Annie, Clarabelle, there's Mr. Conductor. We found him. Oh, Bunkovich Jr.
Junior, look.
It's Thomas.
Thomas! Now, don't look so surprised. I know you haven't seen me since...
You stuffed party poppers down my funnel.
Hey, we had a laugh.
You did.
You're talking to each other.
Ah, first prize. Lily, Thomas. Thomas, Lily. Now, where's my cousin?
Hi.
Hello, Lily. Welcome to Sodor.
Come on, Lily. I'm very home on trains.
Annie, Clarabelle, I'll send Percy back to fetch you.
We've got wonderful. What's the matter?
But something has gone wrong.
Hello? Judy, you've got to come here right away.
The sparkle has left the lamp.